Syngenta Group withdrawing its application for a $9 billion IPO on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. The Chinese-owned company saying that it will, quote, look to restart the listing process either in China or a different global exchange when the conditions are right. Joining me right now with the reaction is Heyman Capital Management founder and Chief Investment Officer Kyle Bass. Kyle, great to see you. Thanks so much for being here. A lot of conversation around Syngenta, why it pulled the deal. I know Chinese markets are not as strong as some would expect given the macro story. What's your reaction to this?
I mean, Maria, as we know, the Chinese markets over the last 15 years are down over 30% as they've grown GDP 500%. This was going to be a national listing for a national company, meaning they were listing this on one of the Chinese exchanges and it was going to trade in Chinese yuan or their local currency. So, they were trying to raise about 65 billion yuan, which is about $9 billion. Their hope is that the people that have the rights to trade A shares in China were going to deposit dollars and participate in this offering, and they just heard crickets. So, as you know, it's the second high-profile cancellation just in the last week. The other one was Alibaba's logistics arm in Hong Kong. That one would require dollars, all dollars, to get that thing done because the Hong Kong dollar and U.S. dollar have a peg. So, Maria, no one's interested in investing in China or Hong Kong right now. And I say no one, kind of writ large, the majority of investors have taken their money the other way. Hong Kong's index is down 50% since the Chinese Communist Party took over in 2020 and implemented their ill-fated national security law. So, Xi Jinping is scoring his own goals lately, and he's been his own worst enemy in financial markets, and that's just going to continue.
Well, you've been saying this for a long time. Finally, you're seeing some Wall Streeters catch up. The other day, I saw a report that says Goldman Sachs says China is uninvestable, something you told us years ago.